Rocket 2026 GT-R R38 Nismo Godzilla King roars at 370 miles per hour. The King is back, and it's faster, louder, and more brutal than ever before. The 2026 GT-R R38 Nismo, dubbed the Godzilla King, has officially been unleashed, and it's not just rewriting the rulebook on performance cars. It's shredding it at 370 miles per hour. Fire born to break records for years. The GT-R has been known as Japan's ultimate supercar slayer. But in 2026, Nissan turned that legacy into a full-blown legend. The R38 Nismo is not just an evolution. It's a revolution. Engineered with a next-gen quad-turbo V8 hybrid and track-derived aerodynamics, the R38 pushes the limits of what a street-legal car can do. It's 0 to 60 miles per hour, a brain-melting 1.7 seconds. Top speed, a blistering 370 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production hypercars ever made. Hammer and wrench under the carbon fiber skin. The R38 Nismo isn't just fast, it's smart. Nissan fused aerospace-grade carbon fiber with lightweight alloys, creating a body that's ultra-rigid yet weighs less than its predecessor. The result? A vehicle that sticks to the track like it's magnetized. Here's a quick glance at the beast's specs. Powertrain: 4.5 LV8 twin-turbo plus electric motor horsepower, 1,250 HP torque, 1,100 pound-feet top speed, 370 miles per hour, electronically limited, transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch plus AI adaptive launch drive, EAWD with torque vectoring weight, approximately 3,100 pounds. Video game The Cockpit, where tech meets rage. Step inside, and you're greeted with an F1-style digital cockpit, touch-sensitive controls, and race-grade bucket seats. The R38 isn't just about power, it's about precision. An AI-powered telemetry system tracks every corner, drift, and acceleration, giving you real-time race feedback. It learns your driving style and adapts accordingly. It's like having a co-pilot, with a PhD in speed. Speaker: the sound of a monster. The Godzilla King doesn't purr, it roars, thanks to a specially tuned Nismo exhaust system. The R38 lets out a guttural growl that turns heads and shakes walls. It's not just a car, it's a rolling earthquake. Checkered flag: more than a car. A statement. The 2026 GT-R R38 Nismo isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who live for the red line, crave the adrenaline, and dare to push the limits. It's not just fast, it's unreal. Camera with flash first look captured in stunning 8K exclusive footage has surfaced showing the R38 in full throttle on a closed airstrip. Shot in crystal clear 8K HD. Viewers get a front row seat to the fury, from launch control flames to speedometer busting straights. The Godzilla King has returned, and the world is watching. Clapperboard ready for YouTube. If you're turning this into a video, here's a killer title plus thumbnail combo. Pushpin title: 370 miles per hour monster. 2026 GT-R R38 Nismo Godzilla King destroys everything. Pushpin thumbnail caption: fastest GT-R ever. Show flames, cockpit speed gauge, bold red, 370 miles per hour.